Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. In this quick little video today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own delicious little curry puffs, and it's coming right up. Now the very first step is you need to make a batch of mince curry. Now if you haven't seen my video on how to make mince curry, well that's your first step. I'm going to put a link up in the top corner of the screen right now to show you where you can find that video. Once you've done that, you're going to go to the store and you're going to buy yourself some puff pastry. So make sure it's thawed out, and then you're going to cut each large square of puff pastry into 4 small squares. Now the process is really simple. We're just going to grab a square of puff pastry and put some of that beautiful mince in the middle. We're going to take our pastry brush and put a little bit of egg wash around the sides. We're going to fold that over into a triangle, and then we're going to use a fork to bring the edges together. Just a couple of pricks to let the heat through, and you're done. There's your first little curry puff. Just keep on doing that until you've used up all your mince, or however much mince you want to use for however many curry puffs you want to make. Ta-da! And here's the final product. So what I've done is I had these cooking in a hot oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. It doesn't have to be very long because remember that mince curry is already cooked. So your cooking time is all about getting that pastry to a beautiful deep golden brown colour. And that's it, that's all you have to do. I can't wait to bite into one of these, but they are very, very hot. So I'm gonna have to give it a bit of time, and it's very hard to control myself. Now listen, I've just done a couple to show you today, but if you make a complete pot of my mince curry, you can make like 100 of these little guys. Now you might think 100 is quite excessive, but let me warn you, if you're taking these to a party or a barbecue, or you're having people over, they're not gonna last. You probably need to make the full batch. And the other great thing about this, guys, is that if you don't want to be eating so many of these curry puffs, go ahead and make a full batch and then freeze what you don't want to cook. That way you've always got some curry puffs ready to go in the freezer, so when anyone drops by, you whack them in the oven and you've got these beautiful curry puffs on offer. And I'll tell you what, your friends are just gonna love you. So if you want to have a go at making these delicious little curry puffs, just check out the description box below. From there you'll see a link to my website to where you can find my mince curry recipe. So you will have your own recipe, something like this, once you download it from my website, print it off, keep it somewhere safe, and you'll be making it time and time again, I guarantee. Don't forget, if you've liked this video, give me a big thumbs up, or better still, hit subscribe. That way you'll always get a little notification once I've released a new video, and you'll always know what I'm up to when I'm in the kitchen. And I'll see you next time.